The next topic from fourth chapter, that is carbon and its compound, is some important carbon compound, that is ethanol and ethanoic acid. Okay, then let us study about ethanol first. Let us see properties of ethanol. It is a colorless liquid. It is the colorless liquid at room temperature. So it is in liquid state at room temperature. Then it is also called as alcohol. It is the active ingredient. It is the active ingredient in all alcoholic drinks. It is the active ingredient in all alcoholic drinks. The next is, it is used in medicines as it is a good solvent. Okay, it is used in medicine such as tincture iodine. Tincture iodine. In 9th standard you already studied about tincture iodine. Okay, and several cough syrups. Okay, and that's why the people may feel sluggishness or drowsiness kind of feeling after consumption of cough syrup, as alcohol directly stimulates the central nervous system. Understood this? Now here the several reactions are given regarding the ethanol. Now first reaction is with sodium. The symbol of sodium is Na. Symbol of sodium is Na. Now here when ethanol, that is CH3CH2OH, molecular formula C2H5OH, OH functional group is there, means it is alcohol. When ethanol is treated with sodium metal, it gives sodium ethoxide. Now look at the reaction. Now here both hydrogen and sodium are monovalent. Hydrogen and sodium are monovalent. Now what are monovalent? Whose valence is 1. So here sodium replaces hydrogen. So here the sodium will enter here. So and the removal of hydrogen gas will be there. Okay. So here hydrogen will remove. So in the place of hydrogen, sodium will come. So what is the compound? CH3CH2O. Now instead of H, it is Na here. Okay, and the name of the compound is sodium ethoxide. So when ethanol is treated with sodium metal, the evolution of hydrogen gas is there with the formation of sodium ethoxide. Then next, reaction to give unsaturated hydrocarbon. Now what are unsaturated hydrocarbons? Unsaturated hydrocarbons are those hydrocarbons which have either carbon-carbon double or triple bonds. Now look at the reaction. Here this is ethanol, C2H5OH. So this is ethanol. When ethanol is treated with hot concentrated H2SO4 means sulfuric acid, then here removal of water molecule is there. With the formation of ethene. Now from where this water molecule remove? Now here one hydrogen from this CH3, okay, and one OH group. So OH plus one H, that is H2O. So here ethene is formed. What is the end product of this reaction? Ethene with the formation of water molecule. Now here in this reaction, the concentrated sulfuric acid is regarded as dehydrating agent. Here concentrated sulfuric acid is regarded as dehydrating. Now hydration means, we can say, addition of water molecule. Now dehydration means removal of water molecule. Understood this? So your water molecule is getting removed because of this sulfuric acid, and that's why this hot concentrated sulfuric acid is known as dehydrating agent. Okay, which removes the water molecule. So here the water molecule is getting removed from this ethanol. Okay, and because of this hot concentrated sulfuric acid, and that's why this sulfuric acid is regarded as dehydrating agent. Understood this? So let us revise. Now ethanol, properties of ethanol. It is colorless liquid at room temperature. It is also called as alcohol, as it has alcohol functional group. Then, and it is the active ingredient in all alcoholic drinks. It is used in medicines such as tincture iodine, cough syrups, etc. Then how it reacts with sodium. On reaction with sodium metal, it forms sodium ethoxide with the formation of hydrogen gas. Second reaction to give unsaturated hydrocarbon. Now in this reaction, when ethanol is treated with hot concentrated sulfuric acid, we get ethene. Now look at this double bonding. Okay, so this ethene is unsaturated hydrocarbon with the formation of water molecule, and here as the water molecule is getting removed from this because of hot concentrated sulfuric acid, the concentrated sulfuric acid is regarded as dehydrating agent. Now this is regarding the ethanol. Now let us see regarding ethanoic acid. Understood? Now the other important carbon compound is ethanoic acid. Another important carbon compound is ethanoic acid. Now ethanoic acid, that is CH3, so COOH. Look at the functional group. COOH functional group is here. Okay, that is carboxylic acid functional group. Then ethanoic acid is also called as acetic acid. Ethanoic acid is also called as acetic acid. Then 5 to 8% solution of acetic acid in water known as vinegar. Now as you know, vinegar can be used as a preservatives in pickles, jams, etc. Then the melting point of pure ethanoic acid is 290 Kelvin. The melting point of pure ethanoic acid is 290 Kelvin, and it therefore often freezes in winter. It often freezes in winter or in cold climate, and that's why it is known as glacial acetic acid. It is known as glacial acetic acid. Now look at the reactions of ethanoic acid. First is esterification reaction. Now how esters are formed? When carboxylic acids treated with alcohol. When carboxylic acid treated with alcohol, esters are formed. What are esters? Esters are sweet smelling substance. Esters are sweet smelling substance. It is used in perfumes and also can be used as flavoring agent. Now look at the reaction as we have seen. When acid reacts with alcohol, esters are formed. When acid here it is ethanoic acid, that is CH3COOH, and alcohol, that is CH3CH2OH, that is ethanol. When acid, that is ethanoic acid, reacts with ethanol, the ester is formed. Now look at this. Now here H plus ion formation is there, and here in this compound OH minus ion is there. So in nature, hydroxide ion, that is OH minus, and H plus ion have strong affinity, and it forms the water molecule, that is H2O, and remaining portion will form ester, that is CH3COO CH2CH3. Understood this? Now here, on treating this ester with strong alkali, that is sodium hydroxide, on treating this ester with strong alkali, that is sodium hydroxide, it gives back ethanol. Along with the formation of sodium acetate, or sodium ethanoate, and this reaction is termed as saponification reaction. Understood this? Two more reactions are also there of ethanoic acid, one with strong base and another with carbonates and bicarbonate. Prior to that, let us revise this. Ethanoic acid, that is CH3COOH, also called as acetic acid. 5 to 8% solution of acetic acid in water termed as vinegar. Vinegar is used as preservative in pickles, jams, etc. Then the melting point of pure ethanoic acid is 290 Kelvin. Hence it often freezes in winter. Or in cold climates. Hence it is termed as glacial acetic acid. Now look at the reaction. First is esterification reaction. How esters are formed? Now let us see what are esters. Esters are sweet smelling substance. What are esters? Esters are sweet smelling substance used in perfumes and as a flavoring agent. So when acid or carboxylic acid reacts with alcohol, esters are formed. Here it is example. When acid, this is ethanoic acid, when reacts with ethanol, that is alcohol, it forms ester along with the formation of water molecule. Here there is H plus ion is there, and here it is OH minus ion. So they have oppositely charged ion, have strong affinity and results in the formation of water molecule. Now esters gives back ethanol on treating with sodium hydroxide. When esters treated with strong alkali, that is sodium hydroxide, it gives back ethanol along with the formation of a salt of sodium, that is sodium acetate, and this whole reaction is known as saponification reaction. Okay, now let us take two more reactions as well. Understood? Okay, that's it. Now look at the sets of reaction. Reaction of ethanoic acid with base. Okay, this is the continuation of previous topic. Now here, reaction of ethanoic acid. Reaction of ethanoic acid with base. So here this is ethanoic acid and this is strong base, that is sodium hydroxide. Look at this general reaction. When acid reacts with base, when any acid, okay, containing H plus ion reacts with base with OH minus ion, gives salt and water as a product. Gives salt and water as a product. So here ethanoic acid when reacts with strong base, it forms salt plus water molecule. Okay, so it is the sodium salt of carboxylic acid, commonly called as sodium acetate or sodium ethanoate. Understood this? Now another, the reaction of ethanoic acid with carbonates or bicarbonates. Carbonates or bicarbonate. So general reaction is when acid, any acid like mineral acid or carboxylic acids. Okay, when acids react with carbonates or bicarbonate, it gives three products, that is salt, water and carbon dioxide. Salt, water and carbon dioxide. Now here the reaction of ethanoic acid with sodium carbonate. Reaction of ethanoic acid with sodium carbonate. Look at the three products. One is, this is the salt, that is sodium acetate plus water molecule plus the formation of carbon dioxide gas, This is given in your textbook in the activity form. When sodium carbonate is treated with dilute ethanoic acid, when sodium carbonate treated with dilute ethanoic acid, here a gas is produced. If you pass this gas through lime water, then lime water turns milky. So it confirms that the gas which is produced in this reaction is carbon dioxide. Now instead of sodium carbonate, if we take sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate, again the gas will be produced, the same products will be there, a gas will be produced, and that is carbon dioxide, and we can confirm the gas by same way, by passing this gas through lime water. Okay, definitely the lime water will turn milky. This is the confirmation test for the production of carbon dioxide. So when acid, means like mineral acid, when carboxylic acid, that is ethanoic acid, treated with base, it produces salt plus water, and here the salt which is produced in this reaction is sodium acetate, commonly called as sodium acetate or sodium ethanoate. Then like when acid and base reacts with each other to produce salt and water. Second one, the reaction of ethanoic acid with carbonates or bicarbonates. When acid reacts with carbonates or bicarbonate, it gives three products, salt, water and carbon dioxide. Example, when ethanoic acid treated with sodium carbonate, it gives salt, water and carbon dioxide, and here the salt is sodium acetate. If we replace the sodium carbonate by this, again we'll get the same product, that is sodium acetate, water and carbon dioxide. Understood this? So that's it for ethanoic acid. Understood? Now let us see another topic. That's it.